Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience with Synovus. Synovus, found at www.synovus.com, provides a range of financial services. This encompasses personal banking solutions, business banking options, and wealth management services. Their website acts as a central hub for accessing information about these various offerings. Individuals can explore checking and savings accounts, loan options like mortgages and auto loans, and credit card options tailored to different needs. Businesses can find information about treasury management, commercial lending, and specialized industry solutions. For those seeking wealth management advice, Synovus offers resources on financial planning, investment management, and trust services. The website aims to provide a comprehensive overview of their services, along with tools and resources to help customers manage their finances. They also provide information about their history, their community involvement, and their commitment to customer service. Further exploration of their online platform typically reveals details about online banking features, such as bill pay, mobile check deposit, and account monitoring. Customers can also generally find contact information for various branches and customer support channels, ensuring they have access to the assistance they need. Synovus appears to strive to offer a user-friendly digital experience, enabling clients to manage their financial matters conveniently and efficiently. Their site often includes an investor relations section, providing information for current and prospective investors. Details on current financial performance, corporate governance, and upcoming events are also frequently available. In addition, they typically provide insights into their overall banking philosophy and their dedication to their communities. They seem to place a high priority on building long-term relationships with their clients. Their digital presence reflects their effort to provide accessible and comprehensive financial solutions. This online resource is designed to be a gateway to a wider array of financial services and resources offered by Synovus. They seemingly aim to empower customers with the tools and information they need to make informed financial decisions.